Hello Fisto viewers, I am Bhagyashree and you're watching Fisto Sports. It is the 32nd match of the Hero Indian Super League and it's Jamshedpur FC taking on Northeast United FC. A lot of action coming up. Northeast United FC has been the surprise package of this year's Hero ISL so far. They are yet to lose a single match and having 10 points to their name after the 6 matches that they have played. Jamshedpur FC on the other hand are coming back from 2 back-to-back draws and they themselves are yet to lose a match after losing to Chennai FC in the first match of their campaign. In this video, let's take a look at the squads, the predicted lineups, the predicted combinations that the coaches would want to play, and in the end I will tell you Fisto's Fantasy 11 to get you the most number of fantasy points and make you the winner and the table topper in your fantasy league. So stay tuned right till the end. We start with the Jamshedpur FC side, who must be high on morale after defeating ATK Mohun Bagan and drawing the game against Mumbai City FC, playing with just 10 men for the majority of the match. Valskis has been in tremendous form for Jamshedpur FC and Avan Coyle would once again bank on his star striker from Lithuania for goals. So coming on to the team news, Avan Coyle usually plays his 4-2-3-1 and it's to be seen what he uses against Northeast United FC. Aitor Monroy picked up a red card against Mumbai, so he would be suspended for today's match. Rentley is out of suspension and would be back and in the starting lineup. So coming on to the predicted formation, it would be like 4-3-3 with TP Rahanesh as the goalkeeper, Dinliana, Easy, Hartley and Ricky as the defenders, Mubashir, Isaac and Alex as the midfielders, Aniket Jadhav, Valskis and Jackie Chan Singh as the attackers. We now talk about the next team, that is Northeast United FC. They are the surprise package of this year's Hero ISL. They are unbeaten in the league so far and are looking so strong on the field as well. Their defense has been phenomenal and every time their defense has lagged, their attack has stepped up and really helped the defense and covered up for them. So coming on to the team news, Gerard News played a 4-3-3 against Chennai FC and is most likely to stick with the same. He's rotating his players very well and is giving chances to all the players of his squad. Appiah may start instead of Sila, but apart from that the team looks perfectly settled and balanced. So coming on to the predicted formations, it looks like 4-3-3 with Gurmeet Singh as the goalkeeper, Ashutosh Mehta, Lambert, Dylan Fox and Gurjinder Singh as the defenders, Apuya, Kamara and Makado as the midfielders, Ninthoi, Apaya and Suhair as the 3 attackers. Coming to what can be expected in today's match, both the sides look very even. Northeast United and Jamshedpur have had the same points in the last 5 matches with 4 draws and 1 win to their name. So it's going to be a 50-50 contest between the two sides, and if Jamshedpur FC can destroy the unbeaten run of Northeast United FC, they would be very happy. It's finally time for Fisto's Fantasy 11 and this is the team that we have for you. We have kept Gurmeet Singh in between the sticks as the goalkeeper, Lambert, Fox, Rentley and Easy as the defenders, Kamara, Singh and Lima as the midfielders. And the forwards, we have Makado, who is also the vice captain of our team, Appiah and Valskis, the captain of the side. So that was our Fisto Fantasy 11 tips for you, and we have a detailed article written which you can find in the description below. And please note that this Fantasy 11 team is based on the predicted lineups that we have spoken about in this video earlier, and it is subject to change depending on the actual lineup. Thank you for watching Fisto Sports. Stay tuned.